Hello Scorpio signs. Welcome to Shiva Tarot reading. So this is going to be a love reading and career reading from today through 31st of March. So we'll see what is the message for you guys. What is the love message, universe? What is the love message for Scorpio sign from today till 31st March? What is the love message for Scorpio sign? The message is Star card, the Devil, Wheel of Fortune, Knight of Wands, Page of Pentacles, the Hermit mode. Let me clarify the Devil. Please clarify the Devil card for Scorpio sign in love. Please clarify. Please clarify the Devil card here for Scorpio sign in love. Clarifying Devil sign for Scorpio sign in love. Clarifying Devil card. Clarifying Devil card in love for Scorpio signs. Clarifying Devil card with Queen of Cups. Okay. So Scorpio, the card, what I'm saying is really good. Okay. There is a Wheel of Fortune card. So wheel is turning in your favor. You may be getting a new offer, a new beginning, or if you are in existing relationship, maybe your love is coming in fruition. The intimate relationship will start again in your life, where you will be happy and everything will be good in your love life. Okay. There is also a devil energy I'm saying here, which means that you may be going through a breakup. Okay, you may be going through a separation with some mother figure. Okay, maybe a father figure who has a kid, or maybe your relationship is impacted because of kids. Maybe you have someone in your life. Okay, maybe you both are in relationship and the mother, a, 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 a male figure, or maybe a male figure, or maybe a female figure. Just a moment, guys. A male figure, maybe if you are a if you're male, then maybe you're female, maybe having a kid, or maybe you will have a kid, and due to that you may be thinking of going into separation. So someone, mother or father figure, who has a kid in a relationship, and due to that separation is possible here because you are thinking to separate. Okay, you or maybe your person. All right, there is a star card here. So you may be loving your family more now. You may be nurturing your mother and your parents. Okay, or maybe someone is there for you who loves you a lot. Okay. Also I'm saying the Knight of Wands, someone is coming towards you very fast. Okay, they are not stopping it, they are coming very fast and giving an offer to you. I'm seeing the Page of Pentacles, where they are thinking of starting a new beginning. Okay, but I'm saying that there is a hermit mode where you are not interested to accept the love offer so soon. You are in a hermit mode where you are looking for enlightenment and a true love maybe, and you are not directly accepting the offer whichever coming towards you. Okay, you are in that mode where you are not easily is falling for a love or relationship now. You are in a hermit mode basically, where you are looking at the other responsibilities as well. Let me see a few more cards. What is the message in love for Scorpio? What is the love message for Scorpio sign? What is the love message for Scorpio sign? What is the love message for Scorpio sign? What is the love message? What is the love message for Scorpio sign? What is the love message for Scorpio sign? What is the low message for Scorpio sign? The low message is justice and three of cups. So Scorpio, I'm saying that you're getting a justice here. So if suppose maybe you are meeting someone who is a judge, or maybe in a government sector, maybe a Libra. You're meeting someone whose signs is Libra sign, okay, or maybe you're going to get a justice. Maybe your love life is broken, and if they are into divorce, then you're going to get a justice, okay. There is a celebration card. Maybe you are celebrating with your friends, or maybe with your partner. So there is a celebration here. Maybe it could be a party where you're joining a party with your girlfriend, or maybe a wife, okay. So that's a message for you in love, Pisces. Let me see what is the career message. What is the career message for Scorpio? What is the career message? Career message for Scorpio sign. Career message for Scorpio sign. Four of Wands, Five of Wands, Queen of Wands, Four of Cups, the Hangman, Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so what I'm saying here is that you are sitting in your throne in your career. You have a good job. You have good money. You are successful in your career. Okay, there may be some person who is actually helping you, always there for you in your work or maybe business, okay. I'm seeing there is a competition in your work life, in your business, or maybe in your work. There is a lot of competition. I'm seeing people are fighting over each other. I'm also saying that you are going to celebrate your victory in your career. Maybe you're getting a offer, or maybe your work is going to recognize, okay, by your boss, or maybe you're getting some good news in your career, okay, very soon. Also, I'm seeing that some of the Scorpios are missing the opportunity and not seeing it. So whatever the offer is coming, okay, they're not seeing it. They are just closed off, and they are missing the opportunity. The someone is offering a new work, or maybe new business, but you are not seeing it, so you may miss the opportunity. So Scorpio, please look around and see if any opportunity comes and knocking at your door, okay. Also the Hangman, I'm seeing that the problem what you had in your work, okay, it's you are getting idea how to do it, okay. Previously you had no idea, no, you had a problem doing that, but now you're getting idea how to do that, okay. Knight of Pentacles means you are getting a offer, okay, after a lot of struggle. Maybe you are trying somewhere very hard, and now it's going to get it. Maybe you're working hard in your work, okay, and now you are getting recognition for it, okay. So that's a career message for you, Scorpio. Let me pull some general message for you from Oso deck. What is the general message for Scorpio sign from 23rd till 31st March? What is the general message for Scorpio sign? What is the general message for what is the general message? What is the general message for Scorpio sign? What is the general message for Scorpio sign? Projections, totality, beyond illusion. So Scorpio, do not compare yourself with any other. Do not compare yourself. Do not project what other people are doing and apply yourself, okay. You are completely different, and your skills are completely different. What you're going through is completely different. So do not think, do not project do not project someone, okay. Do not judge anyone. Do not project, do not think that your life should be same as others life, okay. be in totality. Okay, you are going to get everything now. You're going to get the missing part in your life. It can be anything, in your work or in your relationship. So it's going to be totality in your life where you will fulfill all your things in your life. Okay, also it is advisable to you do meditation. Okay, if you're already doing a meditation, you might be thinking from your intuition mind. Okay, so spirit is asking you to meditate and think from intuitive mind, and give yourself alone time and think through it. Okay, so that's a general message for you. Let me pull some advice message. What is the advice message for Scorpio sign? What is the advice message for Scorpio sign? What is the advice message? Oh. What is the advice message for Scorpio sign? Hey universe, what is the advice you want to give to Scorpio sign? So the advice message for Scorpio sign. Door to personal healing and happiness. So Scorpio, I'm saying that as I said that your missing part is going to be fulfilled. Okay, you're going into totality, like whatever missing part in your life is going to fulfill now. Okay, this card is a positive change. Beautiful light filled door opens onto a lush. Okay, whether you're working on some inner healing such as breaking the addiction or looking to make some changes. Okay, such as finding a new place to live. Okay, this card signals that your life is opening up with the new opportunity. New opportunities are about to appear. Okay, the changes you have been working on are ready to blossom with wonderful results. So make sure you see your personal intentions through with continued action and optimistic expectations. So there is a door to personal healing and happiness, Scorpio. So that's a message advice for you from Spirit Universe. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like my reading. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.